Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the URL of your posts and pages on the WordPress menu basically. So currently we are on the WordPress dashboard and I'm going to show you something. So if you go to pages, all pages, and then just choose whatever page you like. On the right hand side, before you could basically change the URL of your pages, but right now it is not possible basically. So what we need to do is we're gonna go back, and on the left hand side on the dashboard menu you're gonna go to settings. So hover over to settings. Also, if you go to posts basically, and if you go to any post you have, on the right hand side, it is not going to be possible to change the URL. Before it was, but right now it's not. So it's just gonna show you the URL to your page or post basically. So if we go back and we hover over the settings in the dashboard menu, you're gonna see right here: general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, and privacy. What we need to click is permalinks. Left click on that, and it's gonna take us to this page right here, which is basically what it's gonna say at the end of the URL. So right now we have the plain option selected, which should be basically every single time like on default. So what it does is it basically numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 or 7, whichever the number of the page is basically. Like if it's the second page you made, it's gonna just say P2. So what are we gonna change to? It's basically gonna be post name. So it's gonna be the name of the post, and it's gonna be at the end. So basically post or page. So just left click on save changes. So now when we go to pages, and if we basically click on let's say about us, on the right hand side we should be able to see, as you can see, it's localhost WordPress about us. That's the URL. So the permalink is about us basically. And now after we basically change that option, we can change the URL of our page. So if we want to, we can just say it's about us page, click on enter, close that up, and that's it basically. We are just gonna update it. So now the URL, it's gonna be the about us page and not like P1 or P2 or anything like that. So let's say on view page, 1 second. So that's basically it. So it's localhost WordPress about us page. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.